Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another unboxing for you. It's the unboxing of the M1 iMac, which I know is a little bit late to the game because the M2 chip is out. It's unfortunately not available in the iMac, so this is the latest iMac. The M2 chip is available in the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro. I do have an unboxing of the MacBook Air to show you, which I'll upload a little bit later, but today we're focusing on the iMac. Now this is the blue color. It's my favorite color. We did get a yellow one as well, but as I said, blue's my favorite, so that's the one we're unboxing here today. I think the screen is about 24 or 24 and a half inches, and this isn't the base model either. What we have here is a few upgrades. It's not top of the line, but it's not bottom of the line. We got 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is one upgrade, and the other is the 2 terabyte solid state drive. That's the other upgrade. So yeah, let's kind of get into it here. The back of the box, side of the box, the front of the box here. Now, I think on camera this does appear a little bit purple, but there is a purple variant. This is not that. That, and then we're back to the front of the box here. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's open this thing up. Let's keep that aside for now. Lay this down. Best thing for me to do is let me rearrange the camera so that we can do an overhead kind of shot. It might be easier to unbox it that way. Alright, so I hope that's a little bit better. As you can see, Apple does a really good job with the packaging. And it has instructions here. Open this part out. Let's see. Alright, and there we go. So first thing that's in the box obviously is the iMac itself. Now it's really thin. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll give you guys a closer look after. Get everything out right. And as you can see, this has the keyboard and the cables. Alright. Keyboard. Cable for the keyboard. This probably has the stickers in it from Apple. Got a power brick. So power brick also has the Ethernet cable input, and just to see, it does have the stickers. And over here is the rest of the power cable, and here is the mouse. Yeah, actually, let me go ahead and close this up. So first thing, let's open up the power cable. And then the plastic part. Cable for the keyboard and mouse. I like how the cables are Bluetooth. And then we have the Magic Mouse 2, which is also blue. And then we have the keyboard. It's really nice. It has the Touch ID, which I did shy away from when I bought the keyboard for my setup, but it looks like it is pretty good. And the back isn't blue, black's white. Alright, and now for the iMac itself. Before I take anything off, there's the whole thing. Alright, and we'll start over here at this tab. think there's a little piece underneath here. So that actually looks really, really nice. I like the blue. It's a nice dark blue. Well, I think I'm a little surprised at is a little white around the edge here. And on the front it is a little bit lighter as well. So you get that really dark blue at the back and light blue at the front. Let's see, in terms of ports, it really just has the power in the center there. You can see through that cutout. And then 4 ports here. So I think 2 of them are USB-Cs, USB 3s, and then 2 of them are Thunderbolt ports. That's about it. And you got the power button on the other side there. So actually on this side here, there's a headphone jack. Oh, and the other side's clean. Alright. And that's pretty much everything you get in the box. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. It'll definitely help me out. And if there's anything you want me to try or want me to unbox, feel free to let me know in the comments and I'll try and get it done. And that's about it. With that, I'll see you guys in the next one.